from the congruent figures lesson, I just wanted to reiterate that the order of the letters when you write your congruent statement matters. So what I mean by that is looking at these two triangles here, a lot of people will go, oh, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF because they want to go in alphabetical order, but you can't do it like that. You have to, like I said, the corresponding parts have to be in the same order. So if like on this triangle, I wanted to call this triangle, start with A, and then I would travel along the side that has 1 tick mark and go B, and then travel along the side that has 2 tick marks and go C. When I go to write the second triangle, I have to start where I did over here at the right angle box because these are the ones that are the same. So I would have to start on this triangle at F, and then again travel up. Those 2 angles are the same, so E has to go next. And then travel along the side that has 2 tick marks, and we would get D. Again, the reason that the order matters is because then you can get what parts are congruent without even seeing the shapes. So down here, I just wrote down a random triangle XYZ is congruent to triangle LMN. Without even seeing the figures, I know that angle X is going to be the same thing as angle L. Angle Y would have to be congruent to angle M. And lastly, angle Z has to be congruent to angle N because of the order they're in. And then for the sides as well, you remember it takes 2 letters to name a side. So like over here, when we're talking about these sides, side AB is congruent to side FE. Side BC, so the last 2, is congruent to side ED, the last 2. So if I wanted to do the sides here, I would do segment XY, the first 2, is congruent to the segment LM. So those are the first 2. Then I could say that segment YZ is congruent to segment MN. And finally, you could wrap around either way, just go in the correct order. So I'm going to say XZ is congruent to, so I went first to last, so I have to go first to last, like that.